Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the MacBook is asleep or shut down. This prevents current spikes and data issues. Next, position yourself so you can see the port and cable clearly. Once done, use one hand to steady the laptop body and the other to grasp the charger head right at the connector. Never pull the cable. Make sure there's good lighting and clear access. This reduces accidental bending and keeps the connector aligned as you start to separate it. You now perform the removal with a straight, steady motion. For MagSafe style connectors, press gently to break the magnetic hold while pulling straight away from the port. Do not twist the plug. For USB-C chargers, align the plug squarely and pull evenly. Slight wiggling shows misalignment. If you meet resistance, pause and look for lint, bent pins, or corrosion. Forcing it risks damaging the port. Once the connector separates, keep the cable straight to avoid stressing the internal wires. After unplugging, coil the cable loosely and set the charger on a stable surface to prevent falls. Make sure the laptop port is clear by inspecting it with a flashlight. If you see dust or lint, use a short burst of compressed air. Never insert metal objects. If the MacBook will not charge next time, test with another compatible charger to isolate the problem, and if issues persist, seek Apple-authorized repair, because port or board.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.